Finally warming up a little bit. Not yet. 19 degrees at Raleigh. Temperatures are going to be climbing above freezing by late this morning, but we're nowhere close right now. 19 in the Triangle. Dark and early, still about an hour and a half away from sunrise. And once we see the sun come up, it's going to be a mix of clouds and sun this morning, and then more cloud cover taking over as we head into the afternoon. Currently 9 right now in Goldsboro. The cloud cover hasn't arrived in time to hold any warmth near the ground there, but mostly temperatures in the teens, a little chillier in Sanford where you're only at 10 degrees. But the air temperature and wind chill are identical across central North Carolina right now. At least we don't have to worry about that. Not much of a warm up over the next couple hours, 21 by 8 a.m., but look at that, above freezing. Finally, by the time we get above freezing, which should happen with the 11 a.m. update, it'll be over 200 hours of consecutive sub-freezing reports from RDU, which just shatters the old record. 37 at noon, 41 for a high this afternoon, 9 degrees above freezing, still 9 degrees below average. So we're not quite back up to where we should be this time of year, but at least finally making some progress. And we stay above freezing as we head into the evening hours. That's important. We'll come back to that in just a second. Temperatures are going to top out in the mid-40s in south central North Carolina, up to about 45 degrees in Fayetteville. A little cooler as you head towards the Virginia state line, upper 30s there, but at least above 40 degrees around the Triangle, anticipating a high 41 in Raleigh and Durham and 40 degrees in Chapel Hill. Next weather maker out to our west is producing a mess from Ohio into Kentucky, Tennessee, and even Alabama getting freezing rain this morning. This whole thing is spreading towards us. It's not going to produce this level of rain. In fact, we're talking about light showers in store for us this evening and overnight tonight. But with temperatures above freezing, it should be just plain old liquid rainfall. Futurecast keeps everything outside of our neck of the woods through late afternoon, and then that chance for some showers mainly to the northwest of the Triangle as we go through the late evening and early overnight hours. It's not going to be warm rain. Temperatures are going to be just barely above freezing, but above freezing is all we need. The problem is that all the surfaces, the roads, the bridges and overpasses, especially railings, those are still very cold because of the 200 hours of sub-freezing temperatures. So there may be some ice that accumulates, but very, very light amounts. It shouldn't be a high-impact event. Then we get rid of the cloud cover as we head through the day tomorrow. Temperatures start off just above freezing. We warm up to the mid-50s. We back off a little bit on Wednesday. I think there's going to be some chilly air that kind of gets stuck in place for the middle of the week. But up to 60 degrees on Thursday with some off and on showers, upper 60s on Friday, even warm enough for some rumbles of thunder to be audible by Friday evening and Friday night. That system will bring in some chillier air for the weekend, but this next cold snap is not going to be as deep and as widespread and as long as the one that we are just about to break out of today. I can't wait to climb above freezing. I'll let you know about on Twitter as soon as it happens.